Hey guys, today's video is an extreme cleaning motivation video where you will see me tackle 6 rooms in the upstairs of my house in about an hour and a half. Basically, over the past week, my daughter started a sleep regression and has not been sleeping through the night, and I also was a little bit under the weather, so between those two things, I did not get anything done around the house last week, and my upstairs shows it. So it's a total mess, and if you guys want to see me tackle it and get a little cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. By the way, in today's video, I'm not doing a complete clean of each room. For example, I'm not dusting the nightstands in this video because they didn't need to be dusted, and I'm not going to be cleaning the floors in every room, but I just basically did what really needed to be done and then moved on to the next room. Okay guys, so today I decided to move my vanity mirror back up on my vanity desk. If you watched one of my cleaning vlogs from like 2 months ago, this mirror was still on the floor then, and I was saying in that video how I was just waiting for my husband to take it downstairs. Well, we both have been so busy and basically it never got moved downstairs, so I actually decided I might want to use it again. So I guess it was good that it wasn't downstairs. So that's why I moved it back on the vanity desk, and I actually really like it and I've been using it a lot, so I'm happy with my decision to put it back. By the way guys, I had already actually cleaned my husband's vanity area and our shower by the time I decided that I wanted to film this video. That's why you only see me cleaning my vanity area and the floors. But if you do want to see me clean my entire bathroom, I actually already have a video up on that. I cleaned my whole bathroom and it's super messy, but that is on my cleaning videos playlist if you want to check it out. By the way, if you are watching this video and you are wanting to know where you can buy any of the items you see here in my daughter's nursery, I actually did a specific nursery tour video a few weeks ago where I went through the whole nursery and talked about all the items and where I got them, and I linked everything in the description box, so if you're wondering about anything, make sure you go check that video out. So this room is our guest bedroom, and it's a complete mess because a couple of weeks ago my husband was exhibiting some flu-like symptoms, so I basically banished him into this room for like 24 hours. He was quarantined in here. It ended up not being the flu, thank God, but of course I still disinfected everything in the room, to include stripping all the linens and washing them, and then of course I just never put it back together. So that's what I'm doing today. There's also a bunch of laundry on the floor, as you see, and it's actually clean laundry. It's just a bunch of bedding that I need to sort through, so I didn't actually end up sorting through it today, but I did at least get it off the floor and fold it. Yes, I may have piled it on this bed, but still, at least it's off the floor and it's folded, and I'll sort through it another day. So this is our guest bathroom, and we never actually use this except to bathe Lacey because it's the only room in the house with an actual tub. So that's why it didn't require too much cleaning. I just did a few little things and it was good to go. So next is the laundry room, and this room wasn't terrible, it's just super neglected. Basically, we only ever come in here to wash clothes and then leave. So there was just some random junk accumulating in here, and then also the floors are really dirty, so it just took a few things to do to make this room look so much better. Okay, so this last area I'm cleaning is obviously not one of the 6 rooms, it's just the hallway upstairs, but as you see, my banister had started to accumulate a lot of clutter. It had turned into like a makeshift drying rack as of recently, so I just put all those things away and of course vacuumed. I still had a few plastic tubs sitting at the top of the stairs that needed to go downstairs, but otherwise everything else was put away, and so I felt like it looked so much better. Hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? Alright guys, so this was the last area that I cleaned, and overall the house looked so much better in just an hour and a half. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe so you can see more content from me. Thanks for watching.